Walmart maintenance test. The Walmart maintenance test is the second assessment on the Walmart maintenance technician hiring process, preceded by the Walmart Supply Chain Associate assessment. Basically, it assesses your knowledge in various mechanical and electrical topics. The test is conducted by Ramsey Corporation, and also it follows the content areas and formatting of the famous Ramsey multi-craft test, which is already detailed in separate video. Now there are 7 different sections within the Walmart maintenance assessment with a total of 60 questions across all sections. Now what happens after the assessment? So your results will be given to the recruiter. You will also usually be sent an email that contains your results. The next steps will vary depending on the result you achieve. You will be given one of 2 scores. Number 1, competitive or qualified, that means you have passed. Second is non-competitive or unqualified, it means you haven't passed. It is also possible for people to receive an overall competitive score but fail particular sections. This is why it is important to score as highly as possible in each individual section. This was all. Thanks for watching.